So think of things not as they are, but as they could be if you really want to make a difference. Set out to make them real, live, and interesting. Don't merely dream, create. Then use your imagination to make that creation one that will be an advantage to mankind and incidentally yourself. Because it's the dreaming big that's going to do it for you. It's what's going to set you apart. Now, and it may not even be a big thing in for mankind, but it could be just a big thing for you. But in the way that you got to look at it, you're taking a leap. You're making a step forward. You're one of the rare people that by the time you're done this program, you're going to truly know where you're going in life. So the immediate goal of my business, because I think you should write out, and I don't call this a mission statement. I don't know really what I call it, but I believe you got to know where you're going on a broad sense if you want to get there. So let's go over the immediate goal of my business. The immediate goal of my business is to build a recreational property sales system that revolutionizes the way recreational real estate is sold and marketed to the public through an efficient traveling marketing RV office system. It'll utilize a high-tech system that utilizes online marketing, contact systems, plus state-of-the-art mobile applications and GPS systems. We're going to call this Operation Endless Summer because the lake season basically is a May to November system, so that means that we can stay in Edmonton Lake Country 6 months of the year and thus live the other 6 months in a place of beauty like here in Palm Springs or traveling the world to Mexico or basically the world will be our oyster. We're going to call this Operation Endless Summer. After the great 1974 Beach Boys release of all their greatest hits after their biggest run from 63 to 67, they had a dry spell, and then they released in 1974 an album called Endless Summer. It was on the charts for 9 years. 9 years. Because people just related to that feeling of endless summer. And here I am in 2011 relating there myself. So Operation Endless Summer. I'm going to close off my daily log here today by leaving you with a question to ponder. And, leaving you with a question to ponder. Remember, I'm also starting off on a new business venture, doing in my mind something great. Maybe for others not so much, but for me something great. So my question to me to contemplate is this, and I just got this out of a book this morning, as a matter of fact, called How Do You Get What You Want by Sidney Bramer. I suggest you look it up because it's a great book, and if you want to get in touch with me, I can possibly help you find a copy. So this is the question, and I think this is important to know. What is your personal weak point that will get into the way of accomplishing the task you are setting up for yourself? So I'll repeat that. What is your personal weak point that will get in the way of accomplishing this task that you are setting up for yourself? Quite a question, isn't it? I tell you, it's really caused me to ponder here this morning because I do have a few weak points, but I started to look at what is the main cause, which really has really got me thinking like no other question. So on that note, I'm going to close off our video log here today and signing off from beautiful Palm Springs.